Come on a trip with us to Java. Introducing Mountain Mo, Hossam, Rachel and Rhiannon. On today's episode you'll see this and much more. Morning. Coffee. Without Hossam. And for breakfast we had fluffy pancakes with fruit. Rachel is warming up for the day. Let's go. Let's go, guys. And we see the volcano casually blowing out steam. We drove through a little village to our first stop. These lovely spiky bad boys are sacred trees. Can you guess where we're going? We're off to Air Terjun Kapas Baru Waterfall. We definitely underestimated the hike down. It started off a little bit challenging. And then we came across this huge ladder. I hate heights, but I pushed through. Here Hossam shows us how it's done. We took a little rest and then continued. We went down more tricky terrain and across some little bridges. And eventually saw the river. We crossed another stream. And Hossam cooled himself down while splashing us in the process. We continued and bumped into some locals harvesting some crops. And yes, he had a gun. I hear water! We crossed another bridge, which Rachel describes as wibbly wobbly! Wibbly wobbly! Then through some more trees. It felt like we were in a Lara Croft movie. Is this waterfall worth the walk?
So worth it.
Yeah?
That was a trek, but look at that.
Woo! The trek to the waterfall took approximately half an hour. Would you give it a try? I can't describe how big and beautiful this place was. You honestly have to make the trek for yourself. Just check out that waterfall. Swimming! Of course we drank the water even after being told not to before we started our trip. We forgot to take water with us. Once we were cold, we packed up and started the trek back to the bikes. This is a coffee tree, apparently. Rachel tries a chili and...
What's up?
while Hossam tries a coffee bean. Which tasted of nothing.
I can't bite it.
Rachel also decided to give it a try.
No. It's okay. Did you?
I drank more mountain water.
Yeah, good.
And we continued to hike up. Post waterfall break.
Good.
Yeah, awesome. How do you feel?
I'm good. I need oxygen tube.
Resuscitate.
Resuscitate ASAP, please.
Yeah.
Mo, how do you feel? Chilo.
Back on meatball.
Ah. What kind of meatball?
Mustard?
Is it fishy?
No. It's good. Yeah.
Good?
Tofu, that one. Ah, tofu.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Meatball. I am. Chicken.
Worth it. Waterfall 2. Let's go!
We picked up our stuff and headed back on the road.
Waterfall number 2. No hike.
We stopped at Air Terjun Tumpak Sewu. The walk down was super steep.
Maybe get a little run down here. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
But the view was well worth it.
This is worse. Hike.
We left Tempak Sewu and headed towards Batu, which was 83 kilometres or 52 miles, which took us 3 hours. We left the side roads and got straight onto the main road. And of course made a snack stop.
Yogurt! Right, is it black? It's grey.
We continued driving into the night, through a local market, and past a night theme park. After some wrong turns, we eventually arrived at our villa. Let me show you around. This is our living and dining area, the boys' bedroom, and the girls' bedroom. Since we're moving around so much, we had to hand wash our clothes.
I want pizza.
Selamat makan!
Rawon guys.
Like and subscribe to follow our adventure. We're halfway there. Day 5 coming soon.